everyone, this is Zack Hample coming to you from Yankee Stadium for a huge game. Yankees versus Red Sox. CC Sabathia, the big man, facing David Price, also the big man. Battle of the lefties. Now the last 2 days here, the Yankees have won them both. Total, there have been more than 90,000 fans. Tonight's gonna be just as crazy. Now I always want to try to catch baseballs, but I feel like this video is all about capturing the crazy vibe whenever these two teams meet and just soaking in the rivalry. So let's get to it, and for right now, let me just show you what it looks like here on the subway platform. Follow me, and let's check out that view. What's up, Adam? You want this one?
Thank you.
You got it. Crazy flurry of activity out in right field to get this day started. I got 2 baseballs so quickly that my videographer Ian wasn't set up for them. I actually filmed them with my iPhone. So apologies for the shaky footage. And I got 5 baseballs total during the first group of Yankees BP. Now unfortunately that was the last group of Yankees BP. I guess they must have started really early in the day and they finished up just after the gates opened. But listen to this, check this out. You can see it's really empty out here in right field. One section away where that staircase is, all the fans are clustered up there. There's a weird quirk today that's really going to work in my favor. It's a Sunday night game, ESPN is here, A-Rod will be announcing here from the stands one section over that way. So they have this whole place on clampdown, they have barricades up in the tunnels, they're checking tickets even for BP. So it's a good thing I have my seat out here tonight. You know, if it stays empty during BP, I see the Red Sox are out on the field getting loose. I might have a field day out here. It's been a long time since I've hit double digits at Yankee Stadium, but I got 5 already. Today might be the day.
No, we don't want it. The loser! Nice throw, loser! Loser! You know what? You can hit the shower for tonight. Hit the shower. You're done.
This is even before you get used to it. And still, that's it. Great stuff. Can you guys have potential? But put something else.
Yo, that is 13 baseballs! I've caught the last 7 on the fly out here. What?
Want to say anything? No? Come on. Thanks, man.
I want to watch this video.
Well, the Red Sox might be off to a slow start this season, but they delivered today in batting practice. All their big names, all their superstar players were barreling it up and launching balls into the seats. Of course, the short porch out in right field makes it easy for balls to reach the seats, but man, they were on top of it. Andrew Benintendi led off the first group. They actually had a hard time throwing him strikes. So Red Sox BP got off to a slow start, and then I was on fire. I ended up with 15 baseballs today, including 10 home runs that I caught on the fly. My last game in Baltimore, I got 1 baseball the whole day. Today at Yankee Stadium, normally the toughest stadium, I got 15. Now the Red Sox have been stamping their baseballs in various ways for a number of years. They've changed it up this year, and for some reason on the sweet spot, all of their baseballs have a little OK on it. You can see what that looks like. Not sure what the exact meaning is, but always interesting to get different markings, stampings, logos. Now, yesterday on Twitter, I posted something that said, what food should I eat at Yankee Stadium when I do my next video? More than 1,000 people voted. I gave 4 options. The winner, bacon on a stick. So let's go get some food, and then there's going to be all kinds of action happening out here. A-Rod and the ESPN crew, they're broadcasting from the section that's normally the judges' chambers. Sabathia going for his 250th win tonight. So much more to do. So let's do it. Here we go with the bacon on a stick as promised. You know, of the 4 items that I suggested on Twitter, this is the least expensive and I think the least interesting, but I'm doing this for you guys. So this thing is about, I don't know, more than half an inch thick. See what it's all about.
Morgan wants to take a picture here. Morgan. Jay's girlfriend. Morgan, Jay.
It's good. Karsten Charles Sabathia, 1 month shy of his 39th birthday and tipping the scale at 300 pounds, but looking as smooth as ever. Great to get a close-up look of him in the bullpen getting ready for the game. Now he came into this game with a 3-1 record, so that's pretty good, but he has been plagued by the long ball this year, giving one up at the rate of once every 4 innings. And sure enough, in this game, top of the first, JD Martinez took him yard to left field. So right now, top of the second, Red Sox are on top 1-0, and look at me, I'm in the first row. Not bad.
Was unbelievable.
Thank you. Which one?
The one that it was a day in the life something with the balls, and then there was the one where I'm coming down and talking, and it was just terrific.
Cousin Brewski, everybody. How many years at the stadium for you?
This is 48 years.
Wow.
I've been working here 48 years, and all I am is vendor number 17. There were 16 guys who were here longer than me. And the only way you move up in seniority from here on in is through death. Because nobody quits this job.
No.
Number 1 is 86 years old. He's been here since Babe Ruth. He sells scorecards as you come in. He survived a heart attack, diabetes, and a gunshot wound from number 2.
Great to see you, Brewski.
Good luck with everything.
Thank you.
Your career is on the rise.
I hope so.
God willing.
Thank you.
Who's ready for Cousin Brewski?
That guy is the best, man. He's been out here forever. When he said 48 years at the stadium, obviously not all at this stadium because this is the 10-year anniversary of the new stadium, but yeah, he's been around forever plus 2 weeks. It took the Yankees until the 4th inning tonight to get their first hit, but it was a big one. Luke Voit, solo homer to left field. But unfortunately for the Yankees, Xander Bogaerts also went yard. So right now, top of the 5th inning, Red Sox are up 3-2. And by the way, A-Rod and company never made it down to do their broadcast over there because of weather concerns. That's a huge bummer. I was hoping to say hey to him, but they're up in the normal booth like usual. We have a final here in the Bronx, and for Yankee fans, it wasn't pretty. Both bullpens struggled, and Clint Frazier was sloppy on defense, misplaying 2 balls out in right field. The Red Sox have not looked anything like a playoff team this year, but they were all over the Yankees tonight, winning this game by the score of 8-5. Great energy at the stadium, both positive and negative. Lots of scuffles in the stands that caused security to intervene. That always seems to be the case whenever these two teams play here. Now, as for me, I'm back outside the stadium to close this out for you. Batting practice, super weird because security was checking tickets because A-Rod was supposed to be there to announce the game, but then it rained. Anyway, I had so much space out there, and that's why I was able to get 15 baseballs, 10 home runs on the fly. Now, I gave away almost all of my baseballs today, but all 15 count for my lifetime total. That number is now 10,857. And just to tell you one thing quickly, some of you guys already know this, but every baseball that I catch this year, including batting practice, during games, even after games, those all raise money for a children's charity called Pitch In for Baseball and Softball. They provide equipment for underprivileged kids all over the world. This is my 11th season in a row doing a fundraiser for them. I will throw a direct link to that fundraiser in the description for this video, so definitely check that out. I hope you get involved. Other than that, man, it's like 11 o'clock at night. I gotta get home, gotta get some sleep. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with more YouTube action for you very soon.